Hello world and welcome to my channel. This video is about some more King's products. Well, I hope you like this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Cheers! Yeah, today was a once off sale for 24 hours, which they have. And if you also buy 4 items, you get an extra special discount. Now I bought these items and I also bought some chemical for a toilet. That gave me the 4 items because I needed that. I didn't have any left for a chemical toilet, so I got that. Okay, what I've got here is a 36 amp hour lithium pack. It's lightweight, portable. Now, this comes with a 70 watt solar panel charger designed for the King's Power Packs because it's only got a circular end, a round end on it. And this one comes with single output for what you need it for, and it's dual kick out legs, so it keeps it at an angle. So the maximum power output is 70 watts. The voltage is 15.89. Current is 4.41. It's mono M6. It's a barrel jack connector to suit King's Power Packs. The dimensions are 37 by 43.5 by 3.3. And it weighs 2.81 kilograms. We'll go over here to this. Move it up here a bit further. Okay, it is 36 amp hour capacity, 460.8 watt hours. Dual cigarette or 12 volt outlets on it, USB A and USB C outlets on it, 100 watt fast charging, ultra safe LPO for lithium chemistry, easy read charge levels, tough casing, easy carry handle, included in the USB charge cable, and adapter is sold separately. Now the adapter here is a 100 watt charger, 240 volt 100 watt charger. So yeah, on there it has 2 by 100 watt maximum USB ports and 2 by 30 watt maximum USB A ports. Don't need to know the dimensions, I suppose you can, but the dimensions are on there, you can read it if you wish. Yeah, so, and I got 2 of these. One I need inside, and one I'm going to keep with this as a set. I use these for charging various things, and the 100 watt USB charger would come in handy, USB-C especially. USB-C to USB-C is what I'm looking for. Yeah, it's packed with all this foam. Wow. Comes in a case. Didn't realise that. More padding on top. Comes with the instruction manual for the 3 packs they have. Yeah, it's got the case is like the neoprene seat covers they have, what it feels like. Over here. Okay. Oh, you can put the solar into there, I suppose, direct feed it, or the plug there, and that's a USB-C in or out. So that's a USB-C in or out to charge it with. Yeah, under here is two USB-A's, a USB-C. There's a 12-volt outlet there, another 12-volt outlet there. Behind here is the Anderson plug out. So, when you turn it on, it tells you how much charge is in. There's only 3 bars, there should be 4 on the front here. On the back, there's nothing, there's a light on the back here. Yeah, that's the light on the back. So to turn the light on, which is that, you just had to hold the power button down. It comes on with the light. Yeah. Turn it off, you hold it down again. So that's the panel there. Nothing else in the box. Now it doesn't come with a case, you've got to buy the case extra, unfortunately. Of course they have to make you buy a case extra. That's what the panel looks like there. Has this nice long lead and it has that type of end on it, which suits that. So the end will plug into here, undo that. And you plug it into here. That's where the solar goes in, or you can use these to put solar in as well. But 100 watt max. I don't have a 100 watt panel. I only have a 120 watt panel. This is my smallest. This is going to be dedicated to something else, and I'll make another video about that later. Put that to one side. I'll open up this now. It goes together with these clips that'll clip it together. And open it up. Yeah, that's the type of panel here. Places to tie it down or stake down. You've got the things on the back and these legs that swing out with velcros. So I'm going to set it up and plug it into this unit. Needs charging, so I'll do that now. Yeah, it's got these little stands, fold-out stands there. And that's the panel there. So the lead's not that long, so it needs to be pretty close to where you're charging. I could put the power pack on the ground, but I want to sit down and do this. So, get this over here. Yeah. So nothing's on there at the moment. I'll take this off here, plug that into there. So yeah, it tells you it's charging, so it's got 2 full bars and 1 that's flashing. So there's 4 altogether. So once they all get solid like that, it'll be fully charged. The reason why I got those other chargers, I'll open them up in a minute, because they have 100 watts input, and you can plug them into here, into that USB-C, the one there. So if you want to charge it by AC power, you can do that. I'm just going to leave it on the solar blanket out there at the moment and see what happens. The grey Anderson plug behind here, that is DC 12 volts at 25 amps maximum. The cigarette outlets are 12 volts, 10 amps each, but they will peak at 15 amps each. So behind here you have 2 A's and a C, and that C is input or output, and that's the button to show you the display. It automatically goes off if nothing is plugged in. And you can turn the light on, and it even has a flashing function. So LED light, emergency warning light. And it comes with 12 months warranty. This is the fast charger. Comes with a cable. The cable's 1 meter. It's suitable for 100 watts charge. And that's the unit there, quite heavy. Yeah. The 2 C's are 100 watt maximum, and probably in total. And the A's are 30 watts in total. Quite weighty. At 0.21 of a kilo, so 200 grams roundabout. Yeah, there's a little blue light on there to tell you that this USB the AC charges with the 2 USB-Cs and 2 USB-As is on. So what I'm going to do now is plug it into this, which has got a 100 watt fast charger, and that's a 100 watt charger. So it's going to go from there through the proper lead that they've supplied. Yeah, I'll plug this in. This is the input for the USB 100 watt fast charge. And you can see it charging there. Yeah, so it's still charging on the last part, so it's probably about 75% fully charged. So I'm just going to wait with this now and get it fully charged, and then tell you what I'm doing with it. Yeah, so what I'm going to be doing with this power pack is is using it as an extra battery for that. Like, you can buy the battery that they come with, which is a 3, which will double the capacity, which is something like $340, or you can get one that triples the capacity, something like I think it's $540, but they don't have any in stock, and I think it's not cost effective. Whereas this unit, for under $300, you can triple the size of the battery. So it's 460 watt hours. That unit is only 286 watt hours. So that's what I'm going to be using for. Well, I hope you like this video about this power pack from King's and the solar blanket and the fast chargers. Doesn't suit everybody, but I'm giving you an idea of what's out there. Okay, well, I hope you like this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Cheers.